Good morning. Happy Friday Focus, Friday the 10th of June. I have to record this, I'm afraid. I am back from America, having had an amazing trip, but I'm not in the office today, so I'm recording this for you. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about the Profit First philosophy. What is Profit First? How does it work? And what can it do for your business? Big spoiler alert here. On Monday, I'm going to be going live at 10 o'clock with an enormous announcement, really big announcement. So come and join me on my page and you'll see all about it. So what is Profit First? Profit First works on the formula of sales minus profit equals expenses. In order to understand Profit First, you need to first understand the core business concepts of revenue, profit, and cash flow. This ties back to the timeless accounting formula for a profit and loss statement, which is the normal one, which is sales minus expenses equals profit. The Profit First philosophy challenges this formula by putting a greater focus on profit. So the Profit First formula becomes sales minus profit equals expenses. You are taking the profit first. Whatever's left over is there to pay for your expenses. The Profit First mission is to empower entrepreneurs with a simple cash flow blueprint that brings clarity and control over all business finance. It doesn't have to be business, actually. It can be any finances, but most people use it for business. It's a system for helping build your business in a sustainable way that sets you up for long-term success and consistent profitability. The philosophy, I can't even say the word, is anchored around a really simple idea. So imagine that you've got 5 dinner plates, okay? One plate for revenue, one plate for taxes, another for owner's pay, and another for operating expenses. And the 5th plate is for your profit. You set aside funds for your profit, your taxes, and your owner's pay. Sorry, these are predetermined percentages, and whatever's left over is what the company has to pay the operating expenses. So this is a behavioral system. It's based on Parkinson's law, where work expands to fill the time available to complete. So if you're given a whole week to complete a report, it'll take that whole week. But if you're given just one day to complete it, it will be done in that time frame. Because this is the whole concept of Profit First. If you have less money in your operating expenses to pay for your operating expenses, sorry, I lost my track then. If you have less money to pay for your operating expenses, you will cut down, you will become more innovative, and you will become more frugal as far as your business is concerned. By taking profit first, it forces you to think smarter, be more resourceful, and, as I say, innovate much more. You and your team will be much more productive. You'll also eliminate unnecessary expenses. You will bring more health to your business than you can ever imagine. So in essence, doing more with less. So what are the main benefits? As I say, Profit First is a behavioral framework, meaning that you don't have to change your existing habits. It means that if you're anything like me, you can see, you see, or a lot of businesses see the cash in their bank account and they spend that cash that's available to them. Profit First allows you to harness your natural tendencies of doing this, what we call bank balance accounting, but in a much more productive way. You're going to use the powerful force of out of sight, out of mind. As you generate a profit, you are going to remove that money from your immediate access, so you won't see it, you won't access it. The reverse engineering component of taking your profit first bakes this into your business and ensures that you grow profitably and find the right size of that business naturally. This framework will also give you the visibility of your progress towards your goals, resulting in a much more profitable company, consistently profitable company, cold hard cash in your bank account. This motivates you to really keep working at it and focusing you on how to increase that profit, whether that's by increasing your sales or reducing your expenses or whatever it happens to be. So how does this framework help you tackle the common business challenges? I've been using this framework now for 3.5 years, I think it is. Nearly 4 years anyhow, and it can really help you do certain things like owners paying themselves more properly so that, and they're still making a profit, putting away enough for your tax, for your forward tax, paying down and eliminating any debt, giving you control and clarity about what expenses you actually can commit to in the future, removing unnecessary expenses, improving your sales margins. I mean, hugely improving your sales margins. But most importantly, we want to help all small businesses be successful, more profitable, enable them to beat that sort of what they call the 5-year hurdle. So the amount of businesses that fail within 5 years. So Profit First is based on a waterfall system where all income flows into your top income account, and then on your predetermined, using your predetermined percentages on your certain days, which we will go through, you set up when your allocations are done. Now, Mike Michalowicz of the book, who wrote the book Profit First, suggests on the 10th and the 25th. Personally, that doesn't work for me. I do it on a weekly basis, but it totally depends on when you're paid in your business. So this cash is then allocated out to the other accounts based on your current predetermined percentages. So the 5 foundational accounts that you have to have, or you need to have, is your main income account, a profit account, an owner's pay account, and a tax account. I personally don't have a separate operating expenses account, but you can have one. If you're VAT registered, you will need a VAT account. If you have a team, like I do, I have a team account, so I know that they are always covered. Their expenses are always covered. Some people find it a little bit overwhelming, this. So the most important things to do is to just set up a separate account for profit and tax initially. You can set up the other ones as you go, as you get working with it. Once you've got your bank account set up, it's time to really implement Profit First into your business. So next week, we're going to go through what the 3-step process is to get this set up. But come and join me on Monday and you will find out about my new course, which is going to be really exciting. If you want to know any more about Profit First or how to get it into your business, please do let me know, or go to the website hettyverneyaccounting.co.uk. I would love to see you there. Come and make an appointment for a call and we'll talk about it. But if you want to make your business consistently profitable and pay yourself properly, come and see me. Thank you. Bye.